Respected GTO sir and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today I have given a chance to speak on CPEC, that is stand for China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. That is going to be a very important topic for all of us. I generally cover this topic into four parts, namely introduction, recent developments, a step that could be taken in future, and last it will be conclusion. So let's begin. What is CPEC? CPEC means China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. It is a diplomatic agreement between China and Pakistan to develop the economy of Pakistan. But developing only the economy of Pakistan is not aspects of CPEC. The main aspect is that China, as we all know, China dominate in the economy of manufacturing and also in the importing many goods to different nations. As they import about 90% of their goods by South China Sea. That is their main sea route. As in South China Sea, US Navy are present to counter China, which cause a problem for China in future. So China to increase their trade with eastern countries, by CPEC, he construct One Belt One Road initiative that could connect Gwadar Port line. He also like to make One Belt One initiative to join different countries. As if they transport through a Gwadar Port, it could be very I think it could be very find to be beneficial for China, but it leads to a strategy. But it could be a tension for a strategic policy for India. If China develop this, China could supply gas and many natural resources from Gulf countries directly to their nations. But it is a great chance for Pakistan to develop its economy. Around $33 billion could China give a loan to Pakistan and also invest $30 billion as an investment in that. As in China, we all know that China is a developed country, so there is an unemployment ratio could be increased day to day. So China generally give a loan to a poor nation, and as poor nation is unable to pay the loan, so they took the some part and some ports of their on lease for 100 years, and that depends on the amount of money, and they started their constructions and send the workers to there so that employment ratio are also maintained. So I think this is find to be very beneficial for Pakistan, as it give a golden chance to Pakistan to develop its economy. As we all know, Pakistan faces economic crisis from many months. So I think it could be beneficial. But as a neighbor, India has to also make a strategy to encounter the China CPEC, that known could to be China's Pakistan Economic Corridor. Thank you.